Hi everybody, it's Lloyd Thompson with Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North. Today I'm featuring the 312 rear kitchen with an outside kitchen. This is a four-season Connect built by KZRV, over a 50-year-old company, a company that always wins the Dealer Satisfaction Index. This trailer has a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty virtually. It has the one-piece walls, very solid, very durable. It has 16-inch floor centers and tongue and groove plyboard. Here I'm standing in the living room of the 312 Connect with the outside kitchen. You'll see that the storage above the large, very large window here with the side living, the recliners. The storage is made out of real wood doors, lots of spacious storage. It has two ducting systems on the top of the trailer in the ceiling that carries the cool air down both sides of the trailer and actually meets in the middle so that it circulates around. Here we have the large deluxe sleeper sofa that pulls out. It's metal framed, pull way out here into the floor of the RV. Here we have the television built in, streaming machine, DVD, radio, the fireplace. Large area here for storage. All of our trailers come with a starter kit, everything you need to go camping. We also have a campground, folks. We put you in overnight and make sure that everything's going well with your trailer and that if you have any issues, we take care of it. It's right beside our dealership. There is the large booth. Very, very large booth. You can take the table down and have a couch, another U-shaped couch. It's a U-shaped booth. Very spacious to eat and to visit with your family and your friends. Play games on. Very, very spacious. Large windows all the way around the back of the slide there. Very large super slide. Look at the kitchen area. Starts here, goes all the way over there. Tons and tons of storage above the kitchen. Of course, the oven, the sunken stove top, the glass top on it has drawers built into it. Double sink. The sprayer pulls out of the faucet. Here we have the Ever-Chill refrigerator. It's the new refrigerator that runs on an inverter, and of course it works going down the road. It's a 10. It's very deep and spacious. Microwave is built in the kitchen also. The booth here opens up on the sides, and it has nice storage trays inside of it. All right, let's go down the way here, down the hall, and see the bedroom and the restroom. We're in the restroom of the 312 Connect four-season travel trailer. You'll notice it has a residential shower, has a nice lavatory storage below and above it. It's a medicine cabinet, extra shelf here. And there we have the porcelain toilet, a door that goes to the hallway, and a door that slides to the bedroom. And what's neat about this unit, the slide out in the bedroom actually slides in the bathroom, so you have a large linen area also. Let's go into the bedroom. We're in the bedroom of the Connect 312 2018 RV. Look at all the spacious storage. Of course, there's cross storage outside. The queen bed lifts up. You have storage on each side of the queen bed, 2 levels of storage trays that pull out. That's the deluxe sleeper mattress, and of course the closet there slides out also, so you have more storage area in this RV. 2 air conditioners, 50 amp service. Come and see us at Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville and Dewey, Highway 75 North. Thank you.